I'm going to show you how to use the JetPil 3V skin treatment system and how to use it safely and properly. In this video, we're going to show you how to do lymphatic drainage massage, exfoliation, follow up by infusion of active substances into the skin. In your training manual, you have diagrams, so refer to them for the lymphatic drainage and the areas of the skin. Do take cross-contamination very seriously. Alcohol wipe everything, wear gloves, these are given. And what is very important is do not use counterfeit handpieces, as these might damage your machine or indeed your client. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to do exfoliation. For the exfoliation, you divide the face into sections: forehead first, all of the forehead, side of the face, chin, neck, and then the other side. And when we come to work on the upper lip and nose, we'll talk to our client or patient again. On the forehead, you divide it into little strips and you work on the strips from left to right. And each strip is almost as wide as a finger band. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Middle of the forehead we'll do last. Then it's side of the face, that's 1. And then it's 1, 2, 3. Chin, neck, and then it's the other side again. 1, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 2 rules about using the system. Rule number 1, always point the handpiece away from the eyes. So not like that, and never like this. It's away from the eyes, away from the eyes, and away from the eyes. Rule number 2, don't stop. Keep moving your hand. Okay? So, it is important for the exfoliation to have the handpiece orientated the correct way. If you can imagine, you have 3 jets coming out of this. So whichever way your handpiece is moving, the jets are lined up that way. So when you're doing the exfoliation, you're not trying to get the maximum surface area, you're trying to get the minimum surface area on the skin. And I'm going to show you some diagrams, which is coming up now. And this is how it works. The jets are lined up to follow each other. When you're doing the infusion, which is the next video, you will see that we turn the handpiece around 90 degrees, and that covers the maximum surface area. So now it's the exfoliation. The distance is only about ½ a centimeter from the skin. You move, like I said, left to right, and this is the kind of speed you do. Okay, so here we go. Always check that you have 3 jets coming out of your handpiece, ½ a centimeter away, 4 passes per strip. That's 2, 3, and 4, and you move to the next band. And 4. Four passes until you come to the middle of the forehead, which is a little less vascular. So there we're going to do about 6 passes. So this is 4 passes there. Okay, so middle of the forehead is a little bit less vascular. This gets very cold, so we're going to do about 6 passes, but just a little bit faster. Of course, some of your clients, this is where you need to work more. So what you can do, you can stretch it out and just do a bit of extra work there. Okay, so now we're going to work on the strip here on the side of the eyes. Your hand is almost parallel to the face, so remember, not that way, away from the eyes, and just move very fast, about half a centimeter from the skin. And you can come quite close to the eye. It's the only dermabrasion system that you can get this close to the eye, and you do about 6 or 7 passes there, okay? So that's enough. And this area, of course, is where most of your clients need a lot of work done, and with most dermabrasion systems, you can't do this kind of treatment. Now we start with the strip there. The skin is quite thick, so you can go very slow, very perpendicular, 4 passes. Don't go in the eye strip again, you've already done that. That was 2 passes. This is 3. Coming up to the 4th one. Now we move away to the next band. There. Just when I get under the eye, you will see that my hand is going to move a little bit faster. Okay, there you go. Fast, 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 and slow down. Fast, 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 and slow down. Now the 3rd strip. You can use your thumb to stretch the bit of skin. Fast, 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 and slow down again. Take note of the orientation of the handpiece as I move it left to right. The jets are lined up like that, not like this. So that's wrong, and this is correct. Okay. Now the chin, you can do it quite slowly. Four passes again. That's 2. And 4. I tend to do the neck right at the end, so we'll come back to that. But one of the nice treatments you can do is the lower lip. If you have a look at the lower lip now, and you go almost parallel to the face. It's a little bit difficult to get it right the first time. Takes a bit of practice. Yeah, sometimes it sprays into the mouth, but it's no problem. But once you get it right, this happens. Almost Angelina Jolie. There you go. Okay. So now it's the opposite. So side of the eye, and 1, 2, and 3. You probably see it a little bit better now. Quite fast, almost parallel to the face. Start from furthest away from the eye, so you get your hand movements right first. You can get quite close to the eye slit. About 6 passes. Okay. Now this can be very slow. Again, no need to come into the eye strip, you've already done that. 4 passes. When you get under the eye, you just go a bit faster, remember? There you go. And slow down. Slow, 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 fast, 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 and slow down. That's 4, and this is the final strip there. Slow, 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 fast. If you have to dry. So the chin, we went from left to right last time. This time we can go up and down. Just look that I'm turning my handpiece around. Four passes. You can do the lip again. Okay. Now we can do the neck. Nice and slow. You can actually do this 4 times if you wanted to. We're just moving a little bit faster here. Now we're going to work on the upper lip and nose area, and some people find it very difficult to breathe, so we're going to do a breath hold exercise. So what you say to your client is that when I say breathe, breathe in and hold your breath, and I'll give you time to breathe again. So start your handpiece first. Tap the area you're going to work, and then you say to them, breathe. You work and you stop and give them time to breathe again. And you say to them, just like this, quite a few times. Okay? Breathe. 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 Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and breathe normally. Thank you. And that is how we do exfoliation with the Jet Peel 3V.